What's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make Jamaican hard dough bread. Yeah, man,
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
You know what time it is? Easter time. So if you don't have bun and cheese, don't invite people in, please. You have to have bun and cheese in your house. And luckily for you, I created an Easter idea playlist, so check that out. And I'm gonna be adding to this Easter playlist how to prepare the hard dough bread. You feel me, I say? Because religious purposes, after Good Friday, there should be absolutely no cooking in the household. So my family bread colors, we're ready for the baking. Are you? So without further delay, let me take you right into preparing this Jamaican hard dough bread. So forward, let me show you what one. So to start the bread off, we're gonna need a tablespoon and a half of instant dry yeast with 3 ounces of lukewarm water, and that will activate the yeast over 15 minutes. So we're gonna mix this out properly so that we don't have any traces of the yeast. Now I'm gonna sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour into my bowl. Then I'm gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and I'm just gonna mix in everything to incorporate them. To that I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of my vegan butter, right? This is the package that it comes from. I'm gonna go straight in with my hands, combining the flour and the butter to get a light breadcrumb consistency. We'll do this for about 40 seconds to a minute, thereabout. Get your hands, don't be shy, go straight in. Just gonna rub your fingers together with the butter and the flour. And that's the consistency that we're looking for. Nice breadcrumb looking type flour. And this is what your yeast should look like 15 minutes later. Foamy, so you know it's really activated. Gonna add to that 6 ounces of almond milk. So in total we should have a measurement of 9 ounces of liquid. Mix that in. I'm gonna add that directly into my dry ingredients. Mix that in. So lift, press. Lift, press. Lift, press. Clean out the sides of that bowl. And this is what you should have, right? So you can use the same vegan butter and rub that in your bowl, or you can just use some cooking spray. Spray the dough as well. Turn it over. Rub it around. I'm gonna wrap this and allow it to proof for about an hour. And we're gonna double inside. So stay tuned, let me show you how go on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, increase a lot in size. I'm just gonna deflate this. Add a bit of flour on there. On the surface as well. Try and roll this now into a ball. Alright, so you see this rough part? This is going to be the bottom of our bread. Alright, so we got that into a nice ball. So just put your hands on there. From the center in, I'm going to roll it out. I'm using here a 12x4 baking pan. I use it for my bun and breads. And if you want to purchase something similar to this, I will leave a link in the description box below. Just going to add some spray to that. And a bit of all-purpose flour. And just dust that around. Just like that. Put that right in there. So gently tap it in and ensure that it's sealed in all 4 corners. I'm gonna wrap this again and allow it to proof for an additional 10 to 20 minutes. So this is what we look like after 20 minutes. And if you realize, it rises about half the way. I'm gonna get some of that same almond milk, Gonna add a bit to that. So just brush some of that almond milk on top, just so we get that beautiful color on our loaf. I'm gonna pop this in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, after which I'll show you what it looks like. Give it one more coating of that milk just to get that perfect color on top. Pop that back in the oven for about 7 more minutes and we should be good to go. Fresh out the oven. And there you have it, hard dough bread made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Happy Easter when it comes, and until next time, safe travel for the gravel, and go and big up on yourself. But know you fast girl and have to tell me, cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.